if you're new around here. Hi, I'm Mackenzie. Today we're going to be doing a little pack and prep with me for Cabo, Mexico, and I could not be more excited. My husband and I are heading to Cabo to celebrate one of our really good friends' weddings. They're getting married. We're going to be there for 4 nights, and I thought the trip's going to be so much fun, and I thought it would be really fun to show you guys kind of my packing and prepping process too. I like to start every kind of packing process with my packing list. I'm going to kind of scoot over so I can put it on the side of the screen and go over it with you guys. I do have 2 tips as far as packing lists go. My first tip is to check the weather before you start making your packing list, because you want to be able to account for things like cold or rain, and you want to have that on your packing list. That way you're not like trying to add something later and you might forget it. And then the second tip I have is to break it down into categories. You'll kind of see it over there on my packing list, but I section it out into categories. That way it's easy for me to kind of shop what's on my packing list from what I have at my apartment. So for the clothing section, I know I'm gonna head to my bedroom and look in the closet. For the toiletries, I know I'm gonna be in the bathroom trying to shop for everything. So that being said, let's just go ahead and dive into my packing list. To start, I have the first category is clothing, and I like to break it down on this kind of a trip based on the outfits that I'm bringing, because I've already kind of determined the outfits that I need for each day of the trip, because there's a couple events that we're doing for the wedding. So I just have travel outfit times 2. I need an outfit there and an outfit back. They're doing an all white welcome party, so I need my white party dress, my wedding guest dress. I have swimsuits times 4 because I think we will be at the pool all 4 days. Cover ups times 2, just something to kind of throw on over my swimsuit. Resort / loungewear times 3. I want to bring some kind of lunch outfits, or maybe we're not at the pool and we're just kind of hanging out in the lobby area at the resort, so want to have something to wear for that. Something important to note, if you are traveling like internationally to maybe an all-inclusive resort, some of the restaurants have dress codes, and this resort is one of those, so I have to bring a couple of those outfits. Want a fun dinner outfit for the first night because we don't really have anything planned other than dinner. And then just as far as shoes, I need my wedding guest shoes, a pair of wedges, sneakers, sandals, and then I have pajamas, socks, sports bras, shapewear, underwear, all the things. So that's my clothing category. Pretty simple, but I like to kind of map out like exactly how many of each thing I need. That way when I go to pack, I'm like, okay, I got this. Next, let's move on to toiletries. So toiletries, these are all gonna be travel size items because I am packing in only a carry-on for this trip. So I have deodorant, shampoo, conditioner, toothbrush, toothpaste, contacts. Most important thing probably on this list is face sunscreen. Unfortunately, because we are packing in a carry-on, I can't bring like a big bottle of sunscreen, so I'm gonna just have to spend the extra money and buy it at the resort. If you don't know, they always mark up the sunscreen because they know people need it, but it's a necessity, it's fine. That's just the downside of packing in a carry-on sometimes. Moisturizer, makeup remover, ponytails, clips, razors, medications. I'm bringing it all. Tums, Advil, Benadryl, vitamins. That's the nurse in me. And then straightener, and I have blow dryer with a question mark because I need to look and see if our hotel has a blow dryer in the room. If not, I'll bring mine, but that's kind of why it's a question mark, because it's something I need to do still. For electronics, I am planning on vlogging this trip for you guys, so I do need to bring just a couple more electronics than I normally would on a trip. I just have vlog camera, camera batteries, my battery charger. I'm gonna bring 2 SD cards just because I'm not going to bring my hard drive to like back up the footage from my SD card, so I just need to bring 2. And then AirPods and my fun little 3-in-1 charger. I will show you guys that later. It's so great. It charges my phone, my watch, and my AirPods in like one swoop. So last category is my important category. Normally on a trip this is random, but on an international travel trip some of this stuff just feels so important. So passports, #1 thing. Do not forget your passport. So I have that first and foremost. Our IDs, and we want to bring some cash just for tips. It is an all-inclusive resort, but I want to have some cash just to tip people that help us with our bags and things like that. Liquid IVs, that's important. My water bottle, sunglasses, my beach bag, and I have a star next to this one, my beach book, because now that I'm in my little reading kick, I'm gonna want to read by the pool, and I need a beach book. I'm not gonna bring my Kindle just because I love that thing and I'm worried about like the sand and water and everything. So that is my packing list. Nothing too complicated. I like to keep it kind of simple, especially when I go to pack. I am an overpacker, so making these lists really does help me downsize a little bit, especially when I write like how many of each thing I need. I try to really stick to that so I don't overpack, because like I said, I am packing on a carry-on and that makes it a little bit harder. But that being said, I want to kind of get into the packing part now, but I do have a little Amazon haul for you guys. Just some like beachwear, resort wear that I picked up. I realized that I did really well shopping for the wedding event dresses and everything like that, but when I was starting to think about what I was gonna pack, I was like, wait, I don't have very much resort / beachwear things. So I turned to Amazon Prime so it would get here on time, because I was a little bit last minute with this stuff. So the first thing I have to show you guys guys is this really fun sweat set that I picked up from Amazon. So the top is like a little zip up jacket with a hood, which I think is really cute. And then it came with a pair of matching pants. I did size up in a medium just so it would be super comfy. This is my airport travel outfit. I don't have anything like super cozy and comfy for the airport. So I thought, why not just go ahead and get something for that? I like it too because I'll wear a white t-shirt under this zip up jacket. That way when we get to Mexico and it's really warm, I can take this off, throw it in my bag, and then I'll just be in like a t-shirt and sweatpants. So really excited about that. Next is something I am not gonna try on, but I got a swimsuit. I had a couple swimsuits, but I just felt like I needed one more to have like a full 4 for each day because no one wants to put on a wet swimsuit when you go to the beach. So I got this bright blue one. I love the color. I think it's super fun. I got it in a medium as well. The top is a little big, but it has adjustable straps. But what I really like is that the bottoms are super high-waisted. I just think I'm gonna be at an all-inclusive resort. I'm gonna be eating all the guacamole. I went all high-waisted for this trip and I do not regret it at all. I think I'm gonna be really comfortable and feel really good. This is probably my favorite thing that I bought. I cannot wait to show you guys this. These are these white linen pants. These are so fun. I just really wanted like a different kind of pant for the beach. I don't really have anything other than like jean shorts, and these, I've already tried these on, but these are so nice. I just think these are so fun. I cannot wait to style these, and I think I will definitely wear them again just like in summer. And then next, you probably just saw me style this with these linen pants, but I just got this little kind of tube top green shirt. I have just a lot of like black and white tops, so I wanted something with a little more color. This is definitely still neutral. I mean, showing up on camera, I don't even know if you can see how green it is, but it's a very neutral green, and I'm just excited to have something. It's gonna be hot, so I think having just some like strapless things, and hopefully I get a little bit of a tan, and this will look really good on. And then last little shirt I just needed something else to wear with kind of denim shorts, something kind of fun and beachy. So I got this black shirt. It's kind of high neck. The back is completely, I don't know if you can see, completely open. So especially with how hot and humid it's supposed to be while we're there, I think this will be a great option to just throw on with some jean shorts and still look really cute without hardly any effort. And the last thing I bought, surprisingly, I bought shoes from Amazon. I really wanted a pair of like white heels and I couldn't find any where we lived. So I got these and I'm really excited. I'm gonna wear these with the all white dress and probably the wedding guest dress too. They kind of tie up around your leg. This is probably a way better example. Hopefully I can make these look good when I put them on. I did get a 7.5, which is my true size, and they fit perfect. They feel really comfortable, like just pushing on them and when I try them on. So hopefully these will work. So yeah, I think that's everything that I wanted to show you guys before we move into my room and start the packing process. Kind of how I like to pack. I go into my bedroom, I pull out all the things that I would think I would want to bring on the trip and lay them out on the bed. And then from there, we do the downsizing. So I kind of pick outfits together and take things away. And you have to be really selective when you do this because you're pulling everything that you might possibly want to bring. Doesn't mean you need to bring all this stuff, especially for a 4-day trip. I don't want to overdo it. So we're gonna head into my room now and start the packing process. I'm gonna kind of pull everything out on the bed and just show you guys how I do that. So let's go ahead and kick off the packing now. We're in my room now. Like I said, I like to lay everything out on the bed and kind of figure out everything that I want to bring. Make sure I have enough of the categories that I had on my packing list. But I always have my packing list right here and a highlighter. So as I kind of lay it out on the bed and I know it's there, I can highlight it and just kind of cross it off my list. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna kind of pull stuff from my closet now, organize it all out. We'll see how it goes. All right, so I feel like I have everything laid out on the bed that I'm gonna bring. I already downsized once and I probably will do another downsize of all this stuff. But let me just walk you through what I'm kind of bringing. These are the dresses for the wedding events. This is for the actual wedding. It's from Hello Molly. I love it. And then this is for the white party. So I have those. This is like my fun dinner outfit, the linen pants that I showed you guys. Here I just have a couple more casual but cute like lunch outfits, wear on the resort outfits. I don't really know the vibe. I don't know if we're gonna do like nicer lunches that they have dress codes for at the resort. So I'm bringing these for each day. And then I have a couple athletic wear that I'll show you guys in a second. Just have 2 pairs of pajamas here, my beach bag, my beach little purse that I can wear with all these dresses instead of bringing my Lululemon fanny pack, socks, underwear, shapewear, sports bras, all the things. Then over here we do have like 2 2 more little fun outfits. They were mentioning that after the wedding we might change into more casual dresses instead of the fancy long ones. So I don't really know the vibe. I'll probably just pick one of these. One's a dress and one's a romper. These are all of my athletic wear kind of things. I have tanks, t-shirts, and then shorts here. One of these things will also double as my travel home outfit, so I just have to kind of pick which one. That bulky thing back there is my sweatsuit for the travel there. I think I'm gonna have to wear the top at least home, which I think will be fine because it'll give me a nice jacket, and it'll be a way that if I need a jacket at all, I can use that throughout the trip. So glad I'm bringing that, but it does take up a lot of space. Back there I have swimsuits. I have like 4 pairs of swimsuits, and then I have a one piece just in case I get a little sunburned and I need a little more coverage. And then back there I have some cover-ups. I have a t-shirt, I have kind of like an oversized white long sleeve shirt, and then I have a little cover-up dress. So this is everything that I think I'm gonna bring. Like I said, I'm gonna do one more downsize, maybe take away one of these and then one of those casual outfits because I think I should have enough. Okay, in the bathroom now to quickly pack my toiletries. I already did it, but I'm gonna show you guys kind of how I packed them. So I have this little bag that just kind of has all of my makeup products in here. It's not super full, so this will definitely fit in my suitcase. Next, I just have this little pouch that came with a set of packing cubes that I got from Amazon. This is just all of my medications. I have liquid IVs in here, Benadryl, some Kleenex, Advil, just like all the things we might need. This actually might go in my personal item just so I can have it on the flight in case we need it. And then the last little bag for my toiletries is this little clear case from Amazon. I will link it down below. I love it so much. But this has all of my more liquid items, shampoo, conditioner, sunscreen, contacts, everything like that in here. So I like it because it's nice and easy. I can like reach for the bag I need for whatever thing I'm looking for. But I'm gonna go add this to my suitcase now, and I am almost done with my packing, which I'm feeling really good about. So current state of packing. Yes, I have my suitcase on the bed, but I'm gonna wash these before we leave. So I just was like, I can't keep bending down on the ground. I'm getting too old for that. But I feel like I have a good amount of room on this side. Like I can stack a couple more things there. And then underneath here, it's kind of thick just because it's the shoes and purses, but I think I can strap this down a little bit and maybe fit like a couple little things down in here. I think I'm done as far as suitcase packing goes, which is really exciting. I am about to take a break to go get my nails done. I'm gonna take this dip off, get a different color, and then get my toes done as well. And then I'm gonna head to the bookstore and try to find a book to read for my beach book. But once we get back, we do still have to pack my personal item and just kind of go through my electronics and all of the important things that I really need to pack. I'm really happy with how much progress we made. I feel like I'm doing really good, and I'm happy that I have a little bit of extra room in my suitcase if I find like a t-shirt or something that I want. I don't know. But let's head to do a little more prep work, take a break from packing, and I will check in with you guys when I get back. I just finished up with my nails. I got a really light pink color, which I'm really happy with. I love how neutral it is, and I think it's gonna be perfect for the beach. I did go into Barnes & Noble to look for a book to read, but then every book I was grabbing, I was like, wait, I already have this book and I just haven't read it yet. I have like a bin from our old house of books that I had kind of collected before I got my Kindle. So I think I'm gonna look through there and just shop the books I already own so I can read them and then donate them and then get new books from there. So we're gonna go ahead and head home and do that. All we have left to do is to pack my personal item. I need to pack all of my electronics and the really important things like the passports and stuff. And then we'll just kind of go through a last minute checklist and make sure we have everything that we need to pack. But I think before I head home, I'm going to go get a little Diet Coke because I need some energy. This packing and prepping is a lot more work than I thought it was gonna be. So let's get a Diet Coke and I will check in with you guys when I get back to my apartment and we can finish up this packing process. We have made it back to the apartment. I got some popcorn. I shopped my little book container that I had. I pulled 2 books I'll show you guys. First one is Outlander. This book looks like it's been read. It has not. I've had it for years because I love the show so much. And I just haven't ever been in a real big reading kick to read this massive thing. So I'm bringing this one. This is gonna be like my second book because I think I'll fly through the first one quick. This is a brand new book and I forgot I even had it. What do you know? It's a romance Regency era book, but we're gonna read it anyway. It's called An Heiress's Guide to Deception and Desire. I think I'll fly through this just with the flight and the first day on the beach, so that's why I kind of have a backup book. But very excited to have these and excited that I'm not gonna be worried about my Kindle because that is my prized possession. But now I kind of want to walk you through what I'm packing in my personal item. I'm gonna be using this Lululemon bag. I don't know the name of it. If I figure it out, I'll put it on the bottom of the screen, and if not, it's just a Lululemon bag. The only downside about it is it's not a zipper, but it does have a snap and it has some pockets in here. So I think it's gonna be the perfect size. I didn't want to bring a backpack for 4 days. I just thought that would be a little excessive, and I think this is gonna be the perfect size for me. I kind of have laid out in front of me everything that I'm gonna put in this bag, and I'm just gonna walk you guys through that real quick. So this is everything that's gonna go with me in my carry-on, plus my books over here. Just have our passports. This is my medications bag that I showed you guys earlier. My little toiletry bag, some gum, my AirPods, lip gloss, hair clips, sunglasses. This back here, the electronics that I'm bringing. Like I said, I'm not bringing very many. I will bring my vlog camera and stuff, but obviously I'm using that right now. Just have 2 backup batteries, a backup SD card, battery charger, and then this is my little 3-in-1 charger that I got off Amazon. I love it so much. It charges my phone, watch, and AirPods in like one swoop. I will link that down below. But I was kind of thinking I didn't want all of this to be loose in the bag, so I'm gonna bring this little accessory pouch I got from Target. There's a zipper in here that I can put our passports and important travel documents in, and then I'll just kind of put all the electronics in here as well. And it zips up, and that way it'll be in my bag and I'll know exactly where it is, and everything won't just be like thrown in there kind of randomly. So not much that's going in my personal bag. I don't want to bring a lot of stuff because I feel like we're going to be mostly at the beach and just kind of hanging out. I don't want to bring my laptop or anything like that. Bryce will have his for work if we absolutely need it, but I doubt we will. So that being said, I'm just going to finish packing all that away, and then I think we're done as far as the packing and prepping for Cabo goes. I am so excited for this trip because Bryce and I really just need a vacation. We've had a very busy last couple of months and we are just exhausted, frankly, and we need to be on a beach somewhere with a pina colada in our hands. So I hope this video helped you if you're packing for a beach trip, an international trip, trying to pack in a carry-on, or just were interested in what it would be like to pack for Cabo. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like this video if you haven't already and subscribe down below so you don't miss the next one. And I can't wait to see you guys real soon from Cabo.